Your website is live. You've published articles, but Google still isn't indexing your pages? Then your sitemap might be missing, broken, or submitted incorrectly. Intro. In this video, I'll show you what a sitemap is, how to find it, how to submit it in Google Search Console, and what errors like couldn't fetch actually mean. Part 1. What is a sitemap? A sitemap is basically a file that contains all important pages of your website. It helps Google understand what pages exist, which pages were updated, and what should be crawled. Think of it like giving Google a roadmap instead of making it search blindly. Part 2. How to find your sitemap. Most websites automatically create a sitemap. Try opening these URLs: https://yourwebsite.com/sitemap.xml or https://yourwebsite.com/sitemap_index.xml. If you use WordPress with plugins like RankMath or Yoast, the sitemap is usually generated automatically. Part 3. How to check if sitemap works. Open the sitemap URL in your browser. If you see XML code, URLs, or sitemap indexes, then your sitemap is working. But if you see 404 page, blank screen, redirect errors, or security warnings, then Google may also fail to access it. Part 4. Submit sitemap in Google Search Console. Now open Google Search Console. Steps. Select your website. Go to Sitemaps. Paste your sitemap URL. Click Submit. Example: sitemap_index.xml. And now Google will start checking your sitemap. Part 5. Understanding sitemap status messages. After submitting your sitemap, Google will show a status message. Success. If it says success, Google can access and read your sitemap correctly. But that doesn't mean all pages are indexed instantly. Couldn't fetch. This means Google tried to open your sitemap, but couldn't access it. Usually because of wrong sitemap URL, server issues, SSL problems, or blocked access. Has errors. This means Google found problems inside the sitemap, like broken URLs, invalid format, or empty sitemap pages. Part 6. Important thing most beginners don't know. Even after submitting a perfect sitemap, Google still may not index your pages immediately. Because indexing also depends on website quality, internal links, content originality, crawl trust, and overall SEO. A sitemap helps discovery, not guaranteed ranking. Ending. So if your website isn't indexing, the first thing you should check is your sitemap. Make sure it opens correctly, contains valid URLs, and is successfully submitted in Search Console. Because if Google can't properly read your website, it can't properly rank it either.